Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. On today's video, I will show you the solution if you want to upload the Excel file on your Notebook LM. So here I will show you I'm creating the new Notebook LM, and then for instance I will upload Excel file like which one like this one. I will drag and drop it to the upload panel, and then I'm unable to upload it because only following file types are supported, blah 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 blah. Excel or XLS not listed here. So the solution is pretty simple. I have three solutions for you. The first one, open the Excel, and then you click file and then save as. No matter whatever your application, I'm using WPS by the way, because since it's free, if you are using Libre or Microsoft Office, it's supposed to be the same method. You just go to the save as button and then click other formats, and then looking for CSV here. Click the drop down and then looking for CSV, for instance this one, and then you just simply click save on your drive, as simple as that. Okay, save as CS, make sure it's CSV, click save. Okay, click OK and then save. And then after that, you just go back to your Notebook LM, simply upload the CSV. See, now the CSV or the Excel previously already uploaded. That's the first method. And then the second method, you just open new Google Sheets and then paste the data from your Excel and then copy the link and then simply add to your sources. Add. And then it will be read as the Google Sheets, that actually your Excel. And then lastly, you go to your Google and then find XLS to MD, which is why MD. MD is the Markdown format, which is the Notebook LM so native on .md format instead of Excel or CSV format. We just look in any website that suitable for you, that you're comfortable. You just go on that and then upload your Excel and convert it to Markdown or .md, and then go back to your Notebook LM and then upload it to your sources. Very simple, very easy, and that I hope it's helpful for you. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.